मैंने 2.5 लाख स्पेंड किए हैं मुदगर और गदा वर्कआउट सीखने के लिए इन द लास्ट 4 years. This is what I learned. Number one benefit, strength. No doubt guys, मुदगर प्रैक्टिस से आपको डेफिनेटली स्ट्रेंथ मिलेगी. That is the most obvious thing. But apart from that, आपको फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी मिलेगी. How? Because you are moving a lot when you're doing a मुदगर वर्कआउट. There are a lot of 3D rotations जब आप मुदगर वर्कआउट कर रहे हो. तो आपका बॉडी फ्लेक्सिबल भी होना शुरू होता है. Your body will not be stiff as in a gym workout. Then the next benefit is high energy. Yes guys, जैसे आप मुदगर practice high reps करते हो, let's say you do 500 reps, 1000 reps, you will have more energy than before. That is the truth guys, and I will assure you if you try out a class, you will definitely feel that effect. Okay, so definitely you will get high energy. And last thing, calmness. You will definitely feel more calm and relaxed after doing a Mudgar workout. You will not be stressed. That is something again I can assure you. So this is something which if you try, you will feel all those benefits. Okay. The next thing what I learned from Mudgar workout is that Mudgar workout is definitely not similar to a gym workout. Now, why do I say this? When you're doing a gym workout, you're doing mostly 2D movements like this. Let's say you're doing a bicep curl, so you're doing a movement like this. Okay, this is a 2D movement. Whereas when you're doing something with a Mudgar, you're doing 3D movements, right? Something like this. Okay, something like this. So definitely the Mudgar workout works more on your overall body strength rather than a specific muscle. Gym workouts work on a specific muscle. So when you're doing Mudgar workout, you'll be more and more stronger, right? But it will not give you the output what a gym workout gives you. But if in case you do a lot of high reps with the Mudgar, you will get a naturally good looking body with proper strength. Another thing which I found out was that after doing a Mudgar workout, you will practice with a lot of tools like Kai Karlai, Bhuj Karlai, Gada and many other tools. This is a Kai Karlai and this is a Bhuj Karlai. Both tools are very much different in their workouts and their benefits also vary. And then there's also the Gada, which is completely different from the Kai Karlai or Bhuj Karlai. So the point is that there are multiple tools in a Mudgar workout and you will have a lot of variety as per your goals. And the last thing which I learned after practicing Mudgar is that as you keep practicing it for higher reps and for more years, you slowly start to connect with the divine. Yes, you slowly start to connect with God. Okay, you literally start feeling His higher presence within you, even around you. That aura comes within you. Okay, and this is something I have experienced after practicing for nearly 3 years or 4 years. So that's it guys, this was all what I have learned after practicing Mudgar for at least 4 years. I wanted to share all this information so that you can make a decision whether Mudgar workout is for you or no. Comment below if you want to know more about our Mudgar classes and we would be happy to help to clarify all your doubts.